It's like derelict. Malta is a feral island.
Guys, I understand that not every holiday goes as planned, but I'm quite surprised with your use of those terms such as feral and derelict when generalizing a whole island, when we've been to London and we have seen the type of shit you all have going on over there. I can't even ask someone for directions without getting shanked in the kidney. We had to fight you fucks for years to get our independence, and you know what? We're still trying to find our own way, but the last thing we need is a blonde glazed honey bun cunt such as yourself tell us that we are a feral people and that we are derelict. If you don't want to come here again, that's fine. Ryanair does have some lovely offers where for just £9.99 you can take a direct flight business class to go fuck yourself.
Och farsen, lubonkom!